Good morning, dear students. Till 6th one, define the following I have completed, and now I will tell the rest of the answers. And seventh answer is the name the joints found in between. First one is the teeth and gum, that is the immovable joints. Second one is the finger hinge joint. Third one is the skull fixed joint. Fourth one is the knee hinge joint. Fifth one is the ball and socket, that is the shoulder, that is the ball and socket joint are present. And differentiate between the following: tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligament. Tendons, I told you have to write, and ligaments you have to write from keywords. Ligaments you have to write from keywords, and tendons I told you from the page number. Tendons you have to write from page number 91. Tendons you have to write from page number 91. Upside it is written that you can see tendons are the fibers by which muscles are attached to bones. A muscles has at least one tendons to tendons. You have to write from here, and ligaments you have to write from keywords. And second one is the hinge joints and ball and socket joints. Hinge joint and ball and socket joint. Hinge and ball and socket joint. Hinge joint you have to write from here, page number 88. Page number 88. Page number 88. Both it is given. Hinge joint you have to write from here. The hinge joints allow the movement only in one direction, back and forth movement. Till here you have to write. And elbow example you have to write: elbow joint, knee joint, wrist joint. And then ball and socket you have to write from here. In this joint, the rounded head like a ball of one bone fits into a cup shaped cavity formed by the other bone. This allows movement in all directions. Example: shoulder and hip. So this is the differentiate between the following. This one completed. Now come to the answer the following questions. First question is the why do animals need locomotion? It is given on page number 86. Why do animals need locomotion? You have to write from here. Answer first one. Answer 1. You have to write from here. Locomotion helps the animals in many ways. Then you have to write locomotion helps the animals to move in search of food. Locomotion, first point, locomotion helps the animals to move in search of food. Second point, locomotion enables animals to move from unfavorable place or environment to a favorable place or environment. It helps them to escape from their enemies and predators, and it helps animals to find their partners for reproduction and to move to favorable areas for egg laying or rearing of the young one. This is the answer 1. You have to write from here. Answer 1. First point here, and second, third, fourth. This fourth point you have to write in copy. Second question is the how is locomotion brought about in humans? Given on page number 95. Given on page number 95. Second one is the how is locomotion brought about in humans? Page number 95. Here, locomotory movement in all vertebrates including humans are brought about by bones comprising the skeletal system and muscles muscular system. Locomotion is the result of coordinated action of muscles on the limb bones. The contraction and relaxation of muscles move the bones. Till here. Answer 2 you have to write from here to here. Page number 95. Given on page number 95. Answer 2. Now come to the answer 3. What are the main functions of the skeletal system? What are the main functions of the skeletal system? Come to the page number 90. Functions of the skeletal system. Here, page number 90. Functions of the skeletal system. Functions of the skeletal system. From here you have to write functions. First you will put the heading answer 3. Functions of skeletal system: protection, it provides delicate internal organs from injury. Then you have to write provide form and shape to the body. And movement, bones provide a surface to which muscles are attached. Contraction and relaxation of muscles produce movement. This is the answer 3. Functions of skeleton system, this is the answer 3. Now come to the answer 4. Answer 4. How is locomotion different from movement? You have to write from page number 86. How is locomotion different from? Answer 4. You have to write from here. The act of moving from place to place is known as locomotion, and it involves the movement of the whole body, as in walking, running, swimming or flying. And movement is the change in position of only a part of the body, as movement of stem towards light in plant. This is the answer 4. Then come to the answer 5. How does a cockroach move? Page number 94. Page number 94. Page number 94. Answer 5. How does a question? How does a cockroaches move? Answer 5 you have to write from here, given on page number 94. Answer 5. Bones are not present and the body is covered with a hard outer skeleton, and this outer skeleton is made of different units joined together, and this permits movement. This is the answer 4. You have to write from here to here. This is the answer 4. You have to write this one also. Muscles present near the legs helps in walking, while the breast muscles attached to the wings help in flying. This is the answer 5. Now come to the answer 6. How does locomotion takes place in earthworm and a snail? How does locomotion takes place in earthworm and a snail? Page number 93. Page number 93. Answers you can see. Answer 6, earthworm. This is the answer 6. Locomotion in earthworm is brought about by contraction and relaxation of body muscles. The body secretes a slimy substance which help in movement here. And in this snail you have to write, it deposits a little fluid at its front end and walks smoothly over this fluid. The shell is dragged along with the foot, as the shell cannot move by itself. This is the movement. This is the answer 6. Now come to the answer 7. What is ball and socket joint? Page number 88. Page number 88. Ball and socket joints. Page number 88. Here, ball and socket joint. Answer 7. In this joint, the rounded head like a ball of one bone fits into a cup shaped cavity formed by the other bone. This allow movement in all directions. For example, you can move your shoulder and hip in all directions. Answer 7, given on page number 88. Then how does a fish swim? Page number 94. Page number 94. How does a fish swim? Page number 94. During answer 8. During swimming, muscles make the front part of the body curve to one side and the tail moves towards the opposite side, forming a curve. And then you have to write, quickly the body and tail curve to the other side, and this produces a jerk and pushes the body forward. A series of such jerk makes the fish swim forward. This is the answer 8. Answer 8. Then answer 9. Name the adaptations found in birds for flying. Page number 95. Name the adaptations found in birds for flying. Birds are adapted to fly in page number 95. You can see birds are adapted to fly in air and walk on the ground. Then you have to write, the strong breast muscles which are attached to the forelimb bones, help in pushing or pulling the wings. This action of the breast muscles help in flying. And in till here you have to write in flying. Answer 9. Then answer 10. Name the 3 main types of joints found in our body, giving examples of their occurrence in the body. Page number 88. Question 10, page number 88. Page number 88. Page number 88. 10, question number 10. 10 types of joint fixed where found in the body. Skull and pelvis. Types of movement: no movement, slightly movable. Backbone, slightly movement, movable. Ball and socket. Hip and shoulder in all directions. Hinge, elbow, knee, finger in only one plane like the hinge of a door. Pivot, neck, nodding or turning. And this now last one is the how do muscles help in movement in case of our arms. Page number 91. 11, page number 91. You have to write from here 91, page number 91. Answer 11. When the arm is straightened, the biceps muscles relaxes, the triceps muscles however contracts and help in straightening. This is the answer 11. Now chapter 8 completed and you have to write in the copy.